What if a boat was more than a boat? What if it could inspire joy, beauty, and adventure? What if it embodied the spirit from centuries of seafaring heritage? At Windy, we asked ourselves these questions when we built our first sports boat in 1966, and it truly revolutionized the boating industry. The Norwegian Hugo Vold, founder of Windy, hired the best boat designers, sought out the finest boat builders and craftsmen, and not only created a world-beating brand, but succeeded in turning the Windy name into a marquee of quality second to none. 50 years on, we continue to set the standards for performance, seakeeping, design, and craftsmanship, building exquisite boats like no other shipyard on Earth. From the first layer of multi-axial glass fiber laminate to the last precision-engineered component, Windy stands for quality without compromise. Our production facilities in Sweden and Poland are among the most technically advanced in Europe. Distinctive interiors by leading superyacht designers combine clean Scandinavian lines with luxurious detailing. And every boat is hand-finished with Windy's customary perfectionism, using the highest quality components and finest materials. For Windy customers, only the best will do. Modern vacuum-infused resin technology makes our deep V-hull stronger, lighter, and more fuel-efficient. Our well over 100 skilled professionals are as passionate about sport boats, sport cruisers, and custom-built limo tenders as you are. The overall finish, joints, seams, materials, styling, and details are synonymous with the outstanding craftsmanship people see with our boats. Our designers make sure that everything is authentic, genuinely designed, and brought together in perfect harmony. Every element in a boat from Windy speaks of elegance and a superior sense of worth. Windy owners are young at heart, affluent, knowledgeable, and full of expectation. Whether you're taking the helm or simply relaxing on board, to experience a Windy is to feel in control of life. Distinctive finishes and hand-stitched leather create a sophisticated brand signature. Why do we pay so much attention to detail? So that you can experience the effortless sensation of a thoroughbred in motion. Out on the water, what is there between the sea and the sky? For Windy, there is performance that inspires awe and confidence. Distinctive hand-finished Scandinavian design and luxurious detailing. The perfection our customers expect. Put simply, we build better boats because we're Windy. It's in our DNA. It's the trip of a lifetime, every time. Because sometimes, a boat is more than a boat. It is everything we want it to be, and more.